Looking for a fresh and easy dinner idea that will have your taste buds dancing? Try my mouth-watering fish taco recipe.
For my fish, I'm going to be using tilapia. Now 1.75 pounds gave me 4 pieces. After rinsing it, you want to pat it dry. To season, we'll skip the salt for now and go straight for the pepper. Add garlic powder. Some good old bay. This is the reason why I skip the salt, because a lot of these seasonings include salt in them. Then I like to go in with a little bit of lemon. Now you want to season both sides. To cook your fish, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a hot pan. For a little flavor, you want to add unsalted butter. Now all you need is really 2 tablespoons. Once melted, add your fish. Don't forget to hit that bell. Let them cook undisturbed for 3 minutes on one side. As the bottom cooks, you'll see the sides turning white. After 3 minutes, you want to flip them over and continue cooking them for 3 minutes. Now, I recommend using a fish spatula. If you don't have one, I'll post the link in my description below. Fish is ready when it reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 62 degrees Celsius. These are done. Let's place them on a plate temporarily. Now, let's get started on a delicious mango pico de gallo and a savory creamy dressing. I like using a red onion, but you can use a white onion as well. Roma tomatoes are a good choice since they're less watery, but I still like to deseed mine. You want to chop and dice one. We're going to use half of a jalapeno. Now I like mine very mild, so I like to deseed mine. If you prefer yours spicy, then you can definitely leave the seeds in. Then you want to chop and dice it. If you wear contacts, I recommend using gloves or even a Ziploc bag. For me personally, cilantro is a must. You want to roughly chop half a bush of cilantro. It's going to give it a nice Mexican flavor. For a tropical twist, you're going to cut and dice 1 whole mango. I think you're going to be surprised at the delicious flavor it gives your pico de gallo. Now, if you're not a mango lover like I am, I feel sorry for you. Just kidding. You can skip the mango. Squeeze half of a fresh lime for a tangy and tart flavor, which is a nice addition to the sweet mango. Add a little bit of salt, I would say about half a teaspoon or so, and then give it a good mix. Cover and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes to marry all the flavors. Everything happens pretty quick, so I like to prepare my toppings before my fish. For my creamy topping, we're going to be using half a cup of Mexican Crema. Make sure it's a table cream. You want to squeeze about a teaspoon of lime. Then add 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce. Add a pinch of salt, mix well, and this is how you'll end up with a delicious crema dressing for your tacos.
Good.
For fish tacos, I prefer corn tortillas, but if you like the flour, you can go with that. We're going to heat these up on both sides. Now it's time to assemble. You want to just break off a few pieces. I'm using tongs here and just lay them on there. You can add shredded cabbage or lettuce. Today I'm using shredded lettuce. Next, we're going to add our delicious mango pico de gallo. Then we want to drizzle my savory creamy dressing. Then you're left with one of the best fish tacos. I really hope you enjoy these. Please don't forget to smash that like button and share with your friends. Leave me a comment. Let me know your favorite toppings.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.